Big successes are the result of small actions performed every day. Start with the simplest action. Break down your desired change into the smallest possible step. When you repeat these small actions consistently, they gradually become an integral part of your daily routine. Connect new behaviors to your daily routine. Integrate the new habit into your existing daily patterns. This integration makes the new behavior feel natural and effortless over time. Optimize your environment for success. Your surroundings play a crucial role in shaping your behavior. Adjust your environment so that it supports and reinforces the new habit you want to develop. Stay consistent, no matter how slow the progress. Consistency in your small actions will yield far greater results than sporadic, intense efforts. It doesn't matter if progress seems slow. What matters is that you keep moving forward. Be patient and give yourself time. New habits take time to establish. The real success lies in daily repetition rather than immediate results. Change begins right now. Take that small step and keep going, because these tiny actions are what shape your future. What small habit are you ready to start today?